is hitting hard. Alright, we're coming to some heavy puddles right now, almost turning into little rivers themselves. I got the water cam here. I'm gonna, throw it in the water here. We'll pretty much drag it through the water here and see what kind of disgusting murky water we can pick up here. It's a fairly shallower one. We're coming up to a much deeper one here. As you can see, most of this is all normally completely flat and not caked in water, not flooding with water. So that is coverage of torrential rain hits the Sunshine Coast all of a sudden in late August after a hot summer. So we'll see how the outcome of this returns. I'm just going to leave you off with a quick shot of the deepest puddle I've came across so far, and tune in for the next story. Thank you very much.